In the morning mist, the quiet snuffles of deer break the silence of the valley. Located in western Sichuan, Tiebu Nature Reserve for Sichuan sika deer sits at an altitude of more than 3,000 meters. These mountains and valleys are home to China's largest population of wild sika deer. The sika deer is a rare species native to East Asia. They were once widely distributed across eastern China. Recently, however, their habitat has continued to shrink and be separated, leading to a drastic decline in their population. Of the 6 subspecies of sika deer which used to live in China, 2 are now extinct. The Sichuan sika deer wasn't discovered by zoologists until the 1960s. It is the only subspecies that lives in highland areas. What it is exactly that differentiates the Sichuan sika deer is a question that remains unresolved among scientists. Studies show that western Sichuan is a habitat that animals spread into from northern China, which means that the Sichuan sika deer may have originated in China's north. So how did it come to survive in such a narrow space on the border of Sichuan and Gansu provinces? Tiebu Nature Reserve sits in the transitional area between the plateau and alpine valleys. The slopes are relatively gentle. This unique geographical location, pleasant climate, and rich vegetation offer the wild sika deer an ideal habitat. The Sichuan sika deer live and thrive here for another important reason. Local Tibetan people have long been living alongside the sika deer. They regard the deer as a sacred animal and never hurt them. If they see deer being attacked by predators, they will always do their best to rescue them. After the establishment of the Tiebu Nature Reserve, the sika deer enjoy extra care from humans. The alert and timid sika deer aren't afraid of local residents and often stray flagrantly onto farmland to eat the saplings. Having had their fill, they hang about playing with and ruining the crops. Yet even in the face of these annoyances, the locals would never want them to be harmed. Their alternative is to just build fences around the fields. To provide a better habitat for the sika deer, some tough protection measures have been taken by the local government in the nature reserve. Many fields on the slopes have been restored as forests. As a result, these reinstated habitats around the villages are frequently visited by the deer. Tiebu Nature Reserve is a paradise for the Sichuan sika deer to live and breed. Everyone here loves and protects the deer, and the knowledge of how to coexist with them is passed on generation to generation.